Axial Wraith. The last time we saw this thing out crawling on the farm, I got it bound up. Didn't realize I got it bound up, but both front tire, rear tire stuck, down in, wedged in, hit the gas, stripped the spur gear is what I'm guessing. Either spur or pinion, probably spur, plastic spur gear. So today we're gonna yank this thing out of here, see what it is that we really broke, and see if I have the parts to fix it. Oh man, look at that. So, pretty sure that it was the spur gear that was stripped. I am wrong. Pinion, spur, completely fine, which means this crunchiness that I'm feeling in the transmission, it's got to be in the transmission itself. So we have to dig into this thing yet a little bit further. Oh, it's this gear.
Which one?
That one. Bzz, bzz, bzz. All the teeth are gone. And this one's plastic also. Teeth are gone. Look at that. You can see how it's like gone. Teeth gone. So that's what got it.
Yeah, what's the orthodontist?
And this one doesn't look super great.
Daddy, they need to go to the dentist.
It has gunk. Look at that. It's got plastic in the...
Ooh.